That's true.
This is my cousin's wife. You gotta treat her
Okay,
right as
that's
mine.
true.
You gonna sit or you gonna stay?
That sounds like a no to me, Steady. Did you get your answer now?
What, you scared to get up?
Did you get your answer?
Well, then get up then.
She said in a few minutes.
Come on. Fuck you.
You can't. I don't care if it is your cousins, whoever. She said she'll be there in a few
You
minutes.
don't know him like that thing.
She said she'd be there in a few minutes. You can't answer for her. Quit trying to bully people. That's against the law. And you're being recorded right now on the camera. Bullying someone to leave a location they obviously ain't wanting to leave. Yeah, and all these defamations of character of me are really not working. And those are against the law. But if you had a high school diploma, you would know at least that.